August 17th, 1949 is when it started, the actual letters that went up. They had a ceremony here at 9:30 at night. At the time it was Mayor Henderson that did an official lighting of it. So ever since then, you'd see those channel letters up there.
The name change, while we love the legacy and the history of our home savings institution, Premier Bank, our new logo, our new brand, it's a fresh beginning. It's focused on people, it's focused on the future, and while we certainly, as I said before, adore the legacy and the history of home savings, we have a great deal of excitement about the future of Premier Bank and our ability to service and work in the community for the next 125 years.
As far as swapping it out, what's the timeline on a project like this, and what are some of the details of that project?
So the project started last week, getting all that scaffolding that you see behind me all set up. And then this week we actually started taking the letters off the east and west sides. Tomorrow we'll start on the south side. And hopefully by the end of the week, all the letters except for the north facing will be down and all the new framing will be in place. Starting next week on Monday, we're going to have a large crane out front because you can't get to it from the rooftop. And they'll peel all those letters off as well. And then either late Monday or starting Tuesday, you'll start to see the new letters going up. And that should be completed by the end of next week.
Do you anticipate any kind of changes or impact to the perception of the bank in the community?
No, I don't think so, because the predominant tie to a financial institution tends to be the people. And we, our people are all still here. All of our folks are in the same role. Our customers are going to deal with the same people they've dealt with for many, many years. Their mortgages will be handled by their mortgage loan officer that they know. The branch business will be handled by the branch folks. We've had very, very minimal change in the face-to-face customer service personnel here at the bank.
And what's going to happen to the letters and like some historical pictures downstairs that I've seen? What's going to happen to all the home savings related memorabilia?
Well, obviously we've had a lot of interest. A lot of folks know this name. It's been around for so long. So we've heard from retirees, we've heard from the Historical Society. A lot of folks have interest. So what I can speak to is on the letters, we're going to house those at our sign company, and we're considering auctioning some off as a ways to raise some money for either local charity or Historical Society. And any of the other signage, we'll probably hold on to it short term just to make sure that we can give it a good home.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by...
I want to retire knowing we did it right. We want
to know that it's been worth something.
It's worth everything.
Be intentional about your worth. Farmers National Bank Wealth Management.